as you wait to land. But once you get there, no one gives up, and you're in the army now.